If you spoke to an operator now who has been on CheckProof for nearly 2 years, not one of them would want to go back to the old paper system.
I look after day-to-day operations for 9 wharfs, 6 railheads, 24 quarries, several landfills. Just make sure that we maintain our licence to operate. So our primary objective was to remove paper, reduce administration time for our site managers, and also to reinforce our maintenance processes. To do that, we wanted to bring the sites into the 21st century. We chose CheckProof over the others because one of the principles that we wanted to hit was it was easy to use from an operator perspective.
Myself and Kevin Cage have worked together on CheckProof to set it up for the asphalt division. On our asphalt plants, we have mobile plant, static plant, which all need maintenance regimes doing for them, and we need to carry out checks at regular intervals so that we can make sure they maintain correctly.
When we first started working with CheckProof, it was predominantly for aggregates and our logistics departments. And that's now expanded to dry silo mortar, ready mix and asphalt. Hopefully it's going to go into building products, marine are going to take it up full time, and it's going to expand into France and Spain. So that brings us continuity across all our operations and a single platform.
Before CheckProof, if deviations weren't reported by the person individual daily, you would wait till the end of the week before you picked up the deviation, which could have been in place for 3, 4, 5 days. If a deviation isn't picked up, something as simple as a truck knocking itself out of gear, it could then damage the whole transmission and you could lead to thousands of pounds worth of damage.
So CheckProof enables us to spot the defects before they become a major issue. This saves money, time. It also means we increase the health and safety attitude of our operatives, and this minimises our health and safety issues on site.
Everyone's frightened of change, and it's a big change going from a paper system to an electronic system, but once you've got all the checks and checklist rounds in place, it's so easy.
For us at CEMEX, it's been a real game changer.
So within CEMEX we use RFID technology. Its benefits is speed. Our operator just goes up to the tag, scans it, takes into the right check, make sure you get the right check completed, and you know it's in the right location. So it means your operators have accountability and the information that they're providing is accurate. The benefit that CheckProof brings is that we have a problem and then we work out how we can use CheckProof to solve it. We've not yet found something that we can't solve with CheckProof. We've not yet found something that we can't do. And the team there are continuously expanding the app, which makes that so much easier.
We highly recommend CheckProof. It has worked really well here at Dove, and I would recommend it to anyone else to try.
CheckProof has changed our world. It's brought more than we ever expected. It just doesn't stop. It keeps going. You can't ask for anything more, really. Well, obviously we work in aggregates and in quarrying. Ready mix clearly works in those industries. But, you know, I think it'd work in anything. If I'm honest, you know, you pick an industry, pick your problem, CheckProof will solve it.